Beautiful people, welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the most amazing vegan fish cakes or vegan crab cakes. Trust me, they're delicious, you're going to love them. So for the vegan crab cakes, you're going to want 2 large potatoes that have been cubed, 150 grams of soya protein or TVP, 1 bowl of panko or breadcrumbs, optional vegan fish sauce, you're going to want 2 tablespoons of that, small handful of chives finely chopped, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of dill, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 2 sheets of nori very finely chopped, good luck with that, it's going to take you ages, half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cornstarch, and finally the juice of 1 lemon. Start off by boiling up the potatoes, and then let's move on to the TVP, aka textured vegetable protein. Now these sometimes come in little balls, sometimes they come as little mincemeat pieces. I want to break these down so I've got little fleshy bits, so I'm just whacking them with a stick, as you can see. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour boiling water over them, and also some cold, and give it a swirl, then I'm just going to squeeze and squeeze, I'm going to rinse them out and I'm going to repeat. These will have a dusty flavour if you don't do it, so you make sure you give them a nice clean. Next we're going to drain them out. Going to transfer them into a bowl, add in the chives, the dill, the paprika, the salt, and the nori, and the vegan fish sauce. Like I said, this is optional. You can usually find this in your local Asia market or on Amazon. Now these are going to be spongy, so I'm giving them a big squeeze and I'm allowing them to soak in all the flavours. Hey, you're still here! I'm guessing you're enjoying the video. Don't forget, leave a like and leave a subscribe. These gas bills ain't paying for themselves, you know. Now the potatoes have boiled, I've drained them, and we're going to mash them into the mix. Break them down, have some texture in there, it doesn't have to be a puree. Now optional agave, just to give it a touch of sweetness, you don't have to do this. And then we're going to move on to the outer shell. So I'm transferring the flour into a little bowl, and I'm adding some water to the cornstarch, and I'm making basically a slurry. This is basically going to replace the egg. Now make sure your little potato pieces aren't too big, then we can proceed and make our vegan fish cakes or vegan crab cakes, whatever you prefer. Cruelty-free cakes. I'm going to get them into shape. I'm going to dip them into flour, get them nice and coated. Now, with the cornstarch slurry, give it a stir before you dunk them in. If not, it's going to stick to it and it's going to create a massive mess. Okay, I'm going to dip it then into the breadcrumbs, go back into the slurry, and then go back into the breadcrumbs. Okay, this is going to double up and it's going to be double crunchy on the outside. It's so good. Okay, I'm flattening that out on a surface, and I'm shaping that into the desired circular shape that I want. Absolutely beautiful. Right, quick test to see if the oil's at the right temperature. You drop in a little breadcrumb there. If it starts partying like it's 1999, you know you're good to go. Drop in your little vegan fish cakes or vegan crab cakes until they go golden brown. The more of these that you do, the quicker they'll start to brown up because the oil is just going to get hotter each time. There you go, folks. Perfection right there. Perfection. I'm going to cut one up and I'm going to serve it up. There you go, folks. I've taken some vegan mayonnaise, I've added some pickles in there, some capers, some chives, some of the dill. Mix that up to make some kind of tartar sauce. You could call it that. Bit of lemon on the side. There you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this one. Ciao for now. I love you all and I will see you on the next one.